Good morning. It is March 21st, Tuesday. It's beautiful, sunny, 50 degrees. So we are at the house here. We are going to be doing a new install, fascia gutters. And when we take the gutters off, there is no paint. So we recommended the customer get this painted before we put the new gutters in, and so that was approved. So we're gonna scrape this into a bucket, get it cleaned up. There's also a few other changes that we requested. I don't know if you can see right there on top of the roof, she had a downspout right there. And over the years, the roof rotted out. So what we're actually gonna do is take all this water and put a downspout. We're gonna put a downspout. So it's gonna come down the side here, come down, over, down this post. And they already have a trench right here. So it's gonna flow out into the street. Their drain pipes are not functional, so they are disconnected. Right here, I recommended them taking this concrete off a little bit. It's already cracked. Right there, so you take these two pieces out and get this tripping hazard out of the way. Put this pipe, it needs to be a solid pipe, underneath the sidewalk, and we're gonna have a leaf trap right there. That way this pipe that goes out into the street underground does not get clogged. So check out these old rusted gutters that they had. Pretty bad. That's why we do always aluminum. Anyway, we're gonna throw some paint all the way across for the entire house, including above that patio there. This patio has lots of debris on there. I recommend in the future get a pressure washer or something, blow this out because it's a little bit dirty. This has an interior gutter, so that's all clogged, I'm pretty sure. Probably the only way is to get a pressure washer. But what we are doing, see that small outlet right there? We're gonna cut a huge outlet, install a downspout right here, and kind of kick it out. Because that outlet is non-functional and a lot of debris is getting stuck. So even if you go up there with a hose or pressure washer, you're gonna be fighting this small hole right there. All right, this downspout around the corner here. We're gonna make the gutter longer because I don't want to cut a huge hole in the roof. We're gonna make the gutter a little bit longer and come back with the downspout at an angle down, and we're gonna kick it out 5 feet or so, because currently they got a whole dip in there and all the water is going inside their living quarters. So that's some of the changes we're gonna be doing. You can see the gutter's a little overflowing right there. So I don't know if the customer has a pressure washer, or maybe that's something we can come back later at a later day and wash for them. But those roofs do require maintenance, and the built-in gutters are really tricky to get in there because your hands won't fit in there. You gotta have a pressurized washer of some sort. Anyway, here's another view. The downspout coming from the upper. We're gonna route, and down. So no more downspout on top of the roof. All right, let's get back to work. So I just wanted to show you how I do my measurements. So always looking at the house. So this would be the front right here. This is the front. So if I look right there, you see how the picture reflects the house. So I circle my outlets. If the downspout is going to be on the side wall, I just put an X. And if it's regular, I just put a circle. So that way I know where the downspouts are going to go, if it's going to go on the face or on the side of the house. So here we've removed all the gutters. The customer has brought us some paint. We want to paint behind before we install. So we also doing the large downspout upgrade on this house. They have a lot of debris here, and we're gonna put large max flow as well. So the big outlets. I wanted to show you this gutter. You see how tall it is in the back, and it's gonna be a long piece of gutter. So see right here, it's already shorter. That's due to this little mechanism here, a little knife. So when we turn the machine on, it actually slices that back side. Very nice feature, very easy to adjust the gutters. Here's another look, closer up. You see that is all clogged inside. I don't even know what kind of hole they made. Look, they just drilled. So it's all leaking. We're gonna install a large outlet this big right in there and get that water and debris to start flowing again. Remove the outlet, and sure enough, all they did was drill a couple holes. So the outlet was twice bigger than the actual. Let me show you the top view. See, everything's clogged in here. There's debris just jammed in there, so this roof needs to be rinsed out. Just debris cannot escape. Right, check this out. Nice big opening. You can actually see the sky now. So what we'll do next is we'll install this over here, and we'll continue with our downspout. Right, so finishing up some painting here. See the difference? And then got this outlet done. Nice big outlet, cleared this area a couple of feet. So check this out. This is what was up there before. And then even then, it was just cut open just a tad bit. So way better. Good call. All right, just a quick tour of the gutter machine. And then we have all the screws here, all the paints here, and all the powers here with the pencil sharpener, computer, and most important, well, actually, we got all the baskets here for the outlets and caps. But most importantly, wanted to show you the main power source right here. This is the amazing part. And don't forget the porta potty, and it's flushable. So, and then foot press right there, some soap right here, and that's me over there. Pretty nice. Right, got the boards freshened up, painted with some premium paint the customer provided. So it's well protected. Let's hang the gutter. Right, got the gutter installed. Remember how I showed you how I cut the gutters? I cut them to get more slope. So if you look at this roof, see that gap over there? And then it drops down towards the end. It's all the way at the bottom. So I wanted to make sure this gutter is sloping and done properly. Downspout. It's never had a downspout here before. Basically washed everything out. So now it's nice and beautiful. There's the extra long gutter right there. It comes out. So we don't have to make any holes inside the roof. And it's gonna go into this large downspout. It's looking nice, getting them boards freshened up. Got them all surface prepped. White paint, white gutters. It's gonna look really nice. Finished installing the downspouts and all the gutters. Got all the boards painted. Looking beautiful, beautiful sun. And the house is done.